سورة لقمان.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
ألف لام ميم.
Alif Lam Mim.
تلك آيات الكتاب الحكيم.
These are the verses of the wise book.
هدى ورحمة للمحسنين.
A guide and a mercy for the good doers.
الذين يقيمون الصلاة ويؤتون الزكاة وهم بالآخرة هم يوقنون.
Those who perform the prayer and give the charity, and they have faith in the hereafter with certainty.
أولئك على هدى من ربهم وأولئك هم المفلحون.
Such are on guidance from their Lord, and such are the successful.
ومن الناس من يشتري لهو الحديث ليضل عن سبيل الله بغير علم ويتخذها هزوا أولئك لهم عذاب مهين.
And of mankind is he who purchases idle talks to mislead men from the path of Allah without knowledge, and takes it by way of mockery. For such there will be a humiliating torment.
وَإِذَا تُتْلَى عَلَيْهِ آيَاتُنَا وَلَّى مُسْتَكْبِرًا كَأَن لَّمْ يَسْمَعْهَا كَأَنَّ فِي أُذُنَيْهِ وَقْرًا فَبَشِّرْهُ بِعَذَابٍ أَلِيمٍ.
And when our verses are recited to such a one, he turns away in pride as if he heard them not, as if there were deafness in his ear. So announce to him a painful torment.
إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم جنات النعيم.
Verily, those who believe and do righteous good deeds, for them are gardens of delight.
خالدين فيها وعد الله حقا وهو العزيز الحكيم.
To abide therein, it is a promise of Allah in truth, and He is the Almighty, the All-Wise.
خلق السماوات بغير عمد ترونها وألقى في الأرض رواسي أن تميد بكم وبث فيها من كل دابة وأنزلنا من السماء ماء فأنبتنا فيها من كل زوج كريم.
He has created the heavens without any pillars that you see, and has set on the earth firm mountains lest it should shake with you. And He has scattered therein moving creatures of all kinds. And we send down water from the sky, and we cause plants of every goodly kind to grow therein.
هذا خلق الله فأروني ماذا خلق الذين من دونه بل الظالمون في ضلال مبين.
This is the creation of Allah. So show me that which those whom you worship besides Him have created. Nay, the wrongdoers are in plain error.
وَلَقَدْ آتَيْنَا لُقْمَانَ الْحِكْمَةَ أَنِ اشْكُرْ لِلَّهِ وَمَنْ يَشْكُرْ فَإِنَّ فإنما يشكر لنفسه ومن كفر فإن الله غني حميد.
And indeed, we bestowed upon Luqman wisdom and religious understanding, saying, "Give thanks to Allah, and whoever gives thanks, he gives thanks for the good of his own self. And whoever is unthankful, then verily Allah is all rich, worthy of all praise."
وَإِذْ قَالَ لُقْمَانُ لِابْنِهِ وَهُوَ يَعِظُهُ يَا بُنَيَّ لَا تُشْرِكْ بِاللَّهِ إِنَّ الشِّرْكَ لَظُلْمٌ عَظِيمٌ.
And remember when Luqman said to his son when he was advising him, "O my son, join not in worship others with Allah. Verily, joining others in worship with Allah is a great wrong indeed."
وَوَصَّيْنَا الْإِنسَانَ بِوَالِدَيْهِ حَمَلَتْهُ أُمُّهُ وَهْنًا عَلَى وَهْنٍ وفصاله في عامين أن اشكر لي ولوالديك إلي المصير.
And we have enjoined on man to be dutiful and good to his parents. His mother bore him in weakness and hardship upon weakness and hardship. And his weaning is in 2 years. Give thanks to me and to your parents. Unto me is the final destination.
وَإِن جَاهَدَاكَ عَلَىٰ أَن تُشْرِكَ بِي مَا لَيْسَ لَكَ بِهِ عِلْمٌ فَلَا تُطِعْهُمَا وَصَاحِبْهُمَا فِي الدُّنْيَا مَعْرُوفًا وَاتَّبِعْ سَبِيلَ مَنْ أَنَابَ إِلَيَّ ثُمَّ إِلَيَّ مَرْجِعُكُمْ فَأُنَبِّئُكُم بِمَا كُنتُمْ تَعْمَلُونَ.
But if they both strive with you to make you join in worship with me others, that of which you have no knowledge, then obey them not. But behave with them in the world kindly, and follow the path of him who turns to me in repentance and in obedience. Then to me will be your return, and I shall tell you what you used to do.
يا بني إنها إن تك مثقال حبة من خردل فتكن في صخرة أو في السماوات أو في الأرض يأت بها الله إن الله لطيف خبير.
O my son, if it be anything equal to the weight of a grain of mustard seed, and though it be in a rock, or in the heavens, or in the earth, Allah will bring it forth. Verily Allah is subtle in bringing out that grain, well aware of its place.
يا بني أقم الصلاة وأمر بالمعروف وانه عن المنكر واصبر على ما أصابك إن ذلك من عزم الأمور.
O my son, perform the prayer, enjoin on people Islamic monotheism and all that is good, and forbid people from disbelief, polytheism of all kinds, and all that is evil, and bear with patience whatever befalls you. Verily, these are some of the important commandments.
ولا تصعر خدك للناس ولا تمش في الأرض مرحا إن الله لا يحب كل مختال فخور.
And turn not your face away from men with pride, nor walk in insolence through the earth. Verily Allah likes not any arrogant boaster.
وَقَصِدْ فِي مَشْيِكَ وَاغْضُضْ مِنْ صَوْتِكَ إِنَّ أَنْكَرَ الْأَصْوَاتِ لَصَوْتُ الْحَمِيرِ.
And be moderate in your walking and lower your voice. Verily, the harshest of all voices is the braying of the asses.
أَلَمْ تَرَوْا أَنَّ اللَّهَ سَخَّرَ لَكُم مَّا فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَمَا فِي الْأَرْضِ وَأَسْبَغَ عَلَيْكُمْ نِعَمَهُ ظَاهِرَةً وَبَاطِنَةً وَمِنَ النَّاسِ مَن يُجَادِلُ فِي اللَّهِ بِغَيْرِ عِلْمٍ وَلَا هُدًى وَلَا كِتَابٍ مُنِيرٍ.
See you not, O men, that Allah has subjected for you whatsoever is in the heavens and whatsoever is in the earth, and has completed and perfected His graces upon you, both apparent and hidden. Yet of mankind is he who disputes about Allah without knowledge or guidance or a book giving light.
وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمُ اتَّبِعُوا مَا أَنزَلَ اللَّهُ قَالُوا بَلْ نَتَّبِعُ مَا وَجَدْنَا عَلَيْهِ آبَاءَنَا أَوَلَوْ كَانَ الشَّيْطَانُ يَدْعُوهُمْ إِلَى عَذَابِ السَّعِيرِ.
And when it is said to them, follow that which Allah has sent down, they say, nay, we shall follow that which we found our fathers following. Would they do so even if Shaitan invites them to the torment of the fire?
وَمَن يُسْلِمْ وَجْهَهُ إِلَى اللَّهِ وَهُوَ مُحْسِنٌ فَقَدِ اسْتَمْسَكَ بِالْعُرْوَةِ الْوُثْقَى وَإِلَى اللَّهِ عَاقِبَةُ الْأُمُورِ.
And whosoever submits his face to Allah while he is a good doer, then he has grasped the most trustworthy handhold. And to Allah return all matters for decision.
وَمَن كَفَرَ فَلَا يَحْزُنكَ كُفْرُهُ إِلَيْنَا مَرْجِعُهُمْ فَنُنَبِّئُهُم بِمَا عَمِلُوا إِنَّ اللَّهَ عَلِيمٌ بِذَاتِ الصُّدُورِ.
And whoever disbelieves, let not his disbelief grieve you. To us is their return, and we shall inform them of what they have done. Verily, Allah is the all-knower of what is in the breasts of men.
نُمَتِّعُهُمْ قَلِيلًا ثُمَّ نَضْطَرُّهُمْ إِلَى عَذَابٍ غَلِيظٍ.
We let them enjoy for a little while, then in the end, we shall oblige them to enter a great torment.
وَلَئِن سَأَلْتَهُم مَّنْ خَلَقَ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضَ لَيَقُولُنَّ اللَّهُ قُلِ الْحَمْدُ لِلَّهِ بَلْ أَكْثَرُهُمْ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ.
And if you ask them, who has created the heavens and the earth? They will certainly say, Allah, saying, all praise and thanks are Allah's, but most of them know not.
لله ما في السماوات والأرض إن الله هو الغني الحميد.
To Allah belongs whatsoever is in the heavens and the earth. Verily, Allah, He is rich, free of all needs, worthy of all praise.
ولو أن ما في الأرض من شجرة أقلام والبحر يمده من بعده 7 أبحر ما نفدت كلمات الله إن الله عزيز حكيم.
And if all the trees on the earth were pens, and the sea were ink wherewith to write, with 7 seas behind it to add to its supply, yet the words of Allah would not be exhausted. Verily, Allah is Almighty, All-Wise.
ما خلقكم ولا بعثكم إلا كنفس واحدة إن الله سميع بصير.
The creation of you all and the resurrection of you all are only as the creation and resurrection of a single person. Verily, Allah is all-hearer, all-seer.
ألم تر أن الله يولج الليل في النهار ويولج النهار في الليل وسخر الشمس والقمر كل يجري إلى أجل مسمى وأن الله بما تعملون خبير.
See you not that Allah merges the night into the day, and merges the day into the night, and has subjected the sun and the moon, each running its course for an appointed term, and that Allah is all aware of what you do.
ذلك بأن الله هو الحق وأن ما يدعون من دونه الباطل وأن الله هو العلي الكبير.
That is because Allah, He is the truth, and that which they invoke besides Him is falsehood, and that Allah, He is the Most High, the Most Great.
ألم تر أن الفلك تجري في البحر بنعمة الله ليريكم من آياته إن في ذلك لآيات لكل صبار شكور.
See you not that the ships sail through the sea by Allah's grace, that He may show you of His signs? Verily, in this are signs for every patient, grateful person.
وَإِذَا غَشِيَهُم مَّوْجٌ كَالظُّلَلِ دَعَوُا اللَّهَ مُخْلِصِينَ لَهُ الدِّينَ فَلَمَّا نَجَّاهُمْ إِلَى الْبَرِّ فَمِنْهُم مُّقْتَصِدٌ وما يجحد بآياتنا إلا كل ختار كفور.
And when waves cover them like shades, they invoke Allah, making their invocations for Him only. But when He brings them safe to land, there are among them those that stop in between belief and disbelief. But none denies our signs except every perfidious ingrate.
يا أيها الناس اتقوا ربكم واخشوا يوما لا يجزي والد عن ولده ولا مولود هو جاز عن والده شيئا إن وعد الله حق فلا تغرنكم الحياة الدنيا ولا يغرنكم بالله الغرور.
O mankind, be afraid of your Lord, and fear a day when no father can avail aught for his son, nor a son avail aught for his father. Verily, the promise of Allah is true. Let not this worldly present life deceive you, nor let the chief deceiver deceive you about Allah.
إن الله عنده علم الساعة وينزل الغيث ويعلم ما في الأرحام وما تدري نفس ماذا تكسب غدا وما تدري نفس بأي أرض تموت إن الله عليم خبير.
Verily, Allah, with Him alone is the knowledge of the hour. He sends down the rain and knows that which is in the wombs. No person knows what he will earn tomorrow, and no person knows in what land he will die. Verily, Allah is all-knower, all-aware.